Hey, so if your Google form isn't working properly because of wrong settings, like people can't access it, submit it, or responses aren't recorded, yeah, that can get confusing fast. But don't worry, this is usually easy to fix once you know what to check. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, open your form and make sure accepting responses is turned on. If it's off, no one can submit the form. Next, go to Settings and check who can access the form. If it's restricted, some users won't be able to open it. If your form is limited to a specific organization, users outside that domain won't be able to use it. Turn that off if needed. Now, check if Limit to one response is enabled. This requires users to sign in and can block multiple submissions. If required questions are not filled correctly, submissions won't go through. Make sure everything is set properly. If your form includes file uploads, check file size limits and allowed types. Wrong settings here can block submissions. If responses aren't showing, check the linked Google Sheet. Sometimes settings affect where data is stored. Now, test your form in incognito mode to see how it works for others. If things still aren't working, try duplicating the form. Yeah, this can reset incorrect settings. So, yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms wrong settings issues. Once everything is configured correctly, your form should work perfectly. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.